What if the future isn't coming, it's already here? From robotic pets to floating holograms you can touch, the world of innovation is changing faster than ever. These aren't prototypes tucked away in labs. These are real, mind-blowing gadgets you can experience now or very soon. Whether you're a tech lover, a creator, or just curious about what's next, buckle up, because the future is knocking. Let's dive into the futuristic inventions that are already reshaping our lives, one incredible leap at a time. This video is sponsored by the FLIR Digital, your all-in-one marketing solution. From branding and logo design to powerful websites, getting your site found on Google with SEO, and even video editing, they provide everything you need to grow your business online. Visit www.theflirdigital.com. The link's in the description. Mini Pupper. Meet Mini Pupper, the pint-sized robotic dog that's making robotics education feel more like play than work. Inspired by Stanford's open-source Pupper project, this agile little quadruped is powered by a Raspberry Pi 4 and supports both ROS and ROS 2. That means it's not just a toy, it's a full-blown learning platform. It can map environments, track objects, and even navigate independently using SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. Mini Pupper has 12 degrees of freedom, giving it the ability to trot, bound, and express emotion through its customizable LCD face. For students, educators, or tech hobbyists, it's a dream come true, offering a hands-on way to explore robotics, AI, and programming. Light, compact, and surprisingly expressive, it turns serious science into joyful exploration. Flexivival. Flexivival isn't just a leap forward in holography, it's a whole new dimension. Developed by researchers at the Public University of Navarre, this revolutionary system brings us one step closer to science fiction. With its elastic volumetric display and high-speed projection, Flexivival creates floating holograms you can actually reach through and manipulate. No gloves or controllers needed. Whether you're swiping mid-air objects or rotating virtual tools with your bare hands, the holograms respond in real time to natural gestures. Imagine design meetings where 3D models float in the air, or classrooms where students interact with digital ecosystems like they're real. Flexivival is redefining human-computer interaction, making digital information as tangible as anything around you. Chirp RPM Mini. Tiny but mighty, the Chirp RPM Mini is a high-performance personal massager that combines the best of rolling and percussive therapy. Designed for people on the go, it features 3 speed settings, a powerful rechargeable battery that lasts up to 4 hours, and a sleek, portable frame you can toss in a bag. No need to visit a massage therapist. Relief is now literally in your hands. Its multi-grip handle and smooth glide rollers make it ideal for targeting sore spots in your shoulders, arms, legs, and more. Whether you're recovering from a workout or just need to loosen up after a long day, this gadget offers convenience and comfort wherever you are. The Chirp RPM Mini is proof that smart recovery doesn't have to be bulky or boring. Kawasaki Coro. Kawasaki's Coro is unlike anything you've seen, a hydrogen-powered robotic horse built for all-terrain mobility. Revealed at the Osaka Expo 2025, Coro blends the legacy of motorcycle engineering with advanced robotics. Its 150 cubic centimeters hydrogen engine powers 4 independent legs, allowing it to walk, trot, and climb with impressive agility, all without reins or handlebars. Smart sensors let Coro respond to a rider's movements intuitively, while rubber hooves provide traction and shock absorption. It's equipped with a real-time display, night vision, and hydrogen level indicators, making it feel like a futuristic steed straight out of a sci-fi movie. Whether for recreation, mobility, or adventure, Kawasaki Coro is a bold vision of transportation reimagined. Super Hexavision. Super Hexavision isn't just a pair of AR glasses, it's an immersive recording studio, translator, and HUD all rolled into one sleek headset. Designed for creators and tech enthusiasts, it features a powerful dual camera system, a 50MP wide-angle lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens with up to 15x hybrid zoom. Whether you're capturing cinematic content or snapping crisp photos hands-free, these glasses make it effortless. But it's more than just a camera. With a blazing fast Snapdragon 8 core processor, Super Hexavision supports real-time AR overlays, facial recognition, voice controls, and even live translation in over 10 languages. Its micro-LED display packs 3,256 pixels per inch, bright enough to shine even under direct sunlight. It's not just wearable tech, it's storytelling gear from the future. Nimble Track Scanning System. Engineers and manufacturers, meet your new best friend. The Nimble Track Scanning System is a lightweight, wireless 3D scanner built for precision in tough industrial environments. Its carbon fiber frame and integrated molding tech give it strength without the bulk, while its wireless design eliminates messy cables and calibration tools. Capable of scanning at 120 frames per second with jaw-dropping accuracy of up to 0.025 millimeters, Nimble Track is built for professionals who need perfect results fast. Dual edge computing modules process data in real time, meaning what you scan is what you see immediately. It's the ideal tool for designers, QA specialists, and manufacturers who won't compromise on speed or accuracy. Neutral Freedom X. Sitting doesn't have to be static. Just ask the Neutral Freedom X. This innovative chair is built for movement, offering full-body support no matter how you like to sit. Whether you cross your legs, lean forward, or flip the backrest for chest support, Freedom X adapts to your posture and encourages active sitting to reduce spinal pressure and improve circulation. With a fold-down laptop tray, 3-angle adjustments, and dual cup holders, it's designed for both work and relaxation. The scratch-resistant, pet-friendly fabric holds up in any home or office, and the silent wheels let you glide around effortlessly. From long work hours to Netflix marathons, the Freedom X is all about comfort without compromise. Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet 4. It may be the size of your palm, but the Teledyne FLIR Black Hornet 4 is a game-changer for tactical operations. Weighing only 70 grams, this nano drone delivers thermal imaging and high-definition visuals directly to soldiers in real time. Its stealthy reconnaissance capabilities are already in use by military forces across over 20 countries. Engineered to operate in extreme conditions, the Black Hornet 4 can fly in winds up to 25 knots and reach speeds of 10 meters per second, all while remaining whisper quiet. That silence gives troops the edge they need, offering unmatched situational awareness without putting anyone in danger. It's the future of battlefield intelligence, packed into a device you can carry in your pocket. HoloSwim 2. The HoloSwim 2 isn't just smart, it's your personal coach in the pool. These AR swim goggles display real-time performance data like lap count, pace, distance, and swim time, all directly in your field of vision. No more pausing to check a smartwatch or glancing at poolside clocks. Just swim and let the tech handle the tracking. Comfort isn't an afterthought either. With a soft silicone seal, anti-fog coatings, and multiple nose bridge options, HoloSwim 2 fits a wide range of face shapes while staying crystal clear underwater. Whether you're training in a pool or navigating open water, these goggles help swimmers stay focused, motivated, and completely in the zone. Bicycle Robot. This isn't a human riding a bike, it's a robot that is the cyclist. The Bicycle Robot is an incredible feat of robotic engineering that balances, pedals, jumps, and even climbs with the grace of a seasoned rider. Using advanced control algorithms and high-precision actuators, it stays upright and reactive on 2 wheels, adapting in real time to terrain and obstacles. Whether it's leaping off ramps or climbing onto platforms, this robot performs with a level of agility and control that mimics human motion. It's not just a cool party trick. It's a glimpse at the future of robotics in environments where balance, dexterity, and adaptability are critical. If machines can master the art of cycling, what else is possible? Space Stop G1. Say goodbye to traditional laptop screens. The Space Stop G1 redefines mobile computing by replacing the monitor with augmented reality glasses that project a stunning 100-inch virtual display. Powered by a Snapdragon processor and packed with 16 gigabytes RAM and 128 gigabyte storage, this laptop isn't just portable, it's practically invisible. Running on a custom Space OS and paired with the Zreal Air 2 Pro glasses, the setup offers seamless multitasking, wireless connectivity, and even Wi-Fi 7 and 5G support. With up to 8 hours of battery life, the Space Stop G1 transforms any surface, airport lounges, cafes, your couch, into a full-fledged futuristic workstation. It's mobile productivity reimagined. Zreal Air 2 Pro. Designed to complement next-gen devices like the Space Stop G1, the Zreal Air 2 Pro AR glasses bring clarity and immersion to the next level. With dual 1080p OLED displays and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, these glasses deliver smooth, high-resolution visuals perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Think of it as your private, wearable screen, no desk required. Thanks to built-in Wi-Fi 7, 5G capabilities, and up to 8 hours of use, they keep you connected and in control all day long. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, or watching a movie on a 100-inch floating screen, the Zreal Air 2 Pro offers a sleek, futuristic experience that fits in your pocket. From robotic cyclists to holograms you can touch, it's clear we're no longer dreaming about the future. We're living it. These innovations aren't just cool, they're reshaping how we work, play, move, and connect. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more game-changing tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. More jaw-dropping discoveries are just around the corner. See you in the next one.